Sticky Nicky.
Hey. Can you put your face in the camera? What's up, ACTV? It's your favorite besties, and I'm Asia.
And I'm Callie.
And welcome to our channel. Hey, hey.
So today, y'all, we back at it again with another video. We haven't posted in a while. We're sorry for that, but we've been kind of distant and work.
Yep, and today, guys, we're gonna be doing a challenge.
The monkey app rate us 1 to 10. We gonna have it on. We're gonna screen
record it for you guys, and we're gonna have it up here. And yeah, we're gonna have everyone rate us 1 to 10, and we're gonna
see what they rate us and whatever. If we pretty to people, I don't really care because I know I'm 1,000.
I don't care either, but I just want to see what other people think, and it should be fun. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our video, and give us thumbs up. Make sure you tell us what kind of videos you guys want us to see. And yeah, let's get into the video.
I'm trying this new style. Like, I don't wear hoops, so I'm seeing if I look cute in hoops or whatever like that. So if you think I do. And y'all, in the comments, rate us 1 to 10 and tell us how you like our videos. Rate us our videos 1 to 10 too. Like, let us know what we need to work on and let us know what we don't need to work on.
Yep.
So yeah, let's get into it. Hey y'all, can you rate us 1 to 10 please?
Y'all love a 10.
Thank you. Y'all pretty too.
Yeah, y'all pretty too.
You're welcome. Even though she didn't even rate us. The other girl didn't rate us. The other girl did. I was talking about Right. But, okay. Jackie, 19. Hey!
What's up? Can you rate us 1 to 10?
Yeah, I'll rate you.
What you rate us?
1 on the left, 1 on the left. I give you about a 7. And add time, though.
Bye. Talking about some ad time. That's the left. You the left. Yeah.
Oh, come on.
I know. Hey! Can you rate us 1 to 10, please?
3,000, bro.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, my God.
I'm dead. I'm dead. He just kept looking at something. Oh, my God. I'm dead. Caleb. Hey!
Thank you.
Can you rate us 1 to 10?
Oh, thank you.
I'm dead. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Y'all cute too.
Thank
Thank you. Okay, I know somebody about to do us buggers. Hey! Can you rate us 1 to 10?
Look, girl with the bandana is about an 8.
Thank you.
Other girl about a 2.
You got us messed up.
Callie, you can't do this. Just let us rate them.
He didn't even have his head in the camera.
Okay,
and he
let
got
them rate us.
the,
You can't do all that.
Listen,
okay?
he didn't even have his head.
I don't care what they think.
Listen,
I know what I am.
He didn't have his head in the camera. Got the nurse say, "Shit, too. Don't rate me and when you looking like a 5. Come on now."
You can rate me.
Hey!
Y'all look pretty.
Thank you. Can you rate us 1 to 10?
I'll give you a 10.
Thank you.
I'll get that time.
Okay. We got you, Bill. I said Bill because he looked like little Bill. I'm not trying to be bogus.
Billy, sir.
He looked like a little Bill for real. I'm not trying to talk about the
really
white kids. But he was like, hey, all up in the camera. You got some games on your phone?
Got games.
Hey!
Hi.
Can y'all rate us 1 to 10?
Thank you.
Hey, I'll take your man.
No rate, I guess.
I swear. Hey.
Hi.
Can you rate us 1 to 10?
The one with the black. Add time. Okay, the one with the hoops. The one with the hoops on, I'll rate you a 7. No, not us. A. Yeah, and the other one, I'll rate you an 8.
Thank you. You're pretty too.
You doing a YouTube video?
Yeah, we
Yes,
are.
we're doing a YouTube video.
You want to see it? Okay, we friend you. Oh, that was nice of them.
That was.
She was like, "Hey."
Hi, cutie.
I guess.
Get skip one more time. Oh, connecting. Yeah. Hey, girl.
Good.
Can you rate us 1 to 10?
Thank you.
And y'all so pretty.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Y'all pretty too.
Y'all pretty too.
Is y'all best friends?
Yeah.
We are too.
That girl was sipping out Starbucks.
One more, guys.
Right.
Hey.
Hey. Oh, you pretty girl. Oh, it's the same people. Oh my God. Hey, can y'all rate us again?
You already know our both here.
Thank you.
They gang. We need to be friends with them. I should have added them. They really pretty. That girl was really pretty.
Yeah, she was. We're gonna do one more since we already
One
did
more.
that.
Yeah. Sabrina. I don't know how to. Hey, girl.
Hi.
Can you rate us 1 to 10? It's for our YouTube.
Okay, so you're 10. 9.
Thank you.
She makes me want to get box braids.
This is supposed to be our last one.
Oh yeah. Last one.
We
for
get
her.
it carried away.
Hey.
Hey, I need help. I have a question.
Yeah. What's the question?
I have time.
Just tell us it.
So, like, I have a boyfriend.
Yeah.
And I'm 15 and I think I'm pregnant.
You should go to the doctor.
I took a pregnancy test. It was, like, positive. But, like,
Tell your parents.
I'm scared to. I'm only 15.
Well, listen. It just happens. Things happen. If she doesn't, she has to accept you either way. It's going to be her grandchild. So you just gotta tell her. And tell your mom first, and then tell your boyfriend.
What about my dad? He's gonna kill me.
Tell him last.
Yeah. Best way. But make sure when you tell them, you're like crying and stuff, because they're gonna have sympathy for you. Like they're gonna be like, oh, okay, she's like sad about it. And do whatever is your best choice you want to do. You can keep it, you can not keep it. Just do whatever you feel like you want to do.
Okay.
You're
Thank you so
welcome.
much.
You're welcome. I pray for you and your baby though. 15. Oh my God. But listen,
Thanks
y'all.
for watching our video, guys.
Yeah, we got some good rates. We got a little bit of bad rates. And yeah, this was a good video. We might do a part 2 if y'all like this one. We gonna... Yeah.
If you guys like this and comment, we'll do a part 2. Because, I mean, this is really fun. And we just want to see what people think about us. We don't really care. Like, these people's opinions really don't matter to us. But, I mean, we just wanted to see how everyone felt like.
Other people from different
Yeah.
type of parts. Like, not people that we know. Just not
Right.
people we know. But, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be posting soon. Sorry we don't post a lot. But we're going to start doing that. We're coming up there. Make sure you get us to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And, yeah. We out. Gang.
My best friend, that's my best friend. Bless, flex. Big ol' booty bitch message from Texas. What's necessary? I'ma skeet all the nigga, gon' catch you.